Pull emergency brake. Park the car in a safe place and stop its engine. First, find the location of the hole by identifying the nail or screw stuck in the tire. However, do not pull out the nail or screw. Leave it as is and proceed to the next step. Mark the hole's location on the side of the tire with chalk provided. Ensure that the mark on the side of the tire meets the ground. In the event that you cannot identify this location, proceed to the next step. Unscrew the cap of the tire valve. Remove the valve core and loosen the screw by using the provided valve core driver. Before removing the valve core, ensure the tire's air pressure has been let out almost completely. If too much air pressure is remaining in the tire, the valve core may pop out. Be cautious. Shake the bottle of emergency tire sealant well, from left to right and up and down. Then remove the bottle's cap and inside plug and attach the nozzle. Attach nozzle to the valve. Reverse the bottle and inject all of the sealant into the tire by squeezing the bottle with your hands. After completely injecting the sealant, remove the nozzle from the valve and screw the valve core into the valve by loosening the screw. Next, pull out the power cord and air hose. These are stored in the compressor. Attach the tip of the air hose, called a screw valve, to the air valve of the tire by turning it clockwise. Insert the cigarette lighter plug, located on the tip of the power cord, to the car's cigarette or accessory socket. Ensure the emergency brake is set and start the car's engine. Turn on the power switch of the compressor, which will begin inflating the tire with air. The air gauge will show how much air has been inflated. Allow inflation until the specified air pressure of your automobile's manufacturer is reached. The specified air pressure is shown near the door of the driver's seat. Detach the air hose and screw the valve cap back into place. After the air has been inflated to the specified pressure, begin driving under 80 kilometers. After driving for about 5 kilometers or 10 minutes, park the car in a safe place and check the air pressure with an air pressure gauge. Emergency repair is complete if the air pressure is more than 130 kPa. This product is for emergency repair use. After repair is complete, please check the tire at a tire specialty shop immediately. Notice that this product is not able to repair in the following cases. In addition, this product may negatively affect tires with TPMS.